Namaskar, I'm Aradhya Mohan and you are watching news updates from the School Times. A total of 13.69 lakh regular candidates had registered for the Class 12 exam this year. This year, the CBSE has achieved the highest ever pass percentage of 99.37, with girls outshining boys by a slender margin of 0.54%. Punjab Board PSEB 12th Result 2021. The pass percentage of government schools is recorded to be 98.05% this year, whereas aided schools have achieved a 96.71% pass percentage. Students of Class 12 can check their results on the official website of PSEB. The Delhi Sports University is likely to start admitting students from classes 6 to 9 from April next year and will start operations at the Ludlow Sports Castle in the National Capital Civil Lines area, its Vice-Chancellor Karnam Malleshwari said. The Xavier School of Management will soon announce the Xavier Aptitude Test 2022 exam schedule. The registration process will start soon and will conclude on November 30th as per reports. Those who clear the exam will be eligible for admission to XLRI Jamshedpur and XLRI Delhi NCR campus along with over 89 B schools across India that accept XAT scores for admission. XAT 2022 admit card will release on December 20th. The GRE score validity will be taken from December 1st, 2016 to December 31st, 2021.
Want your school and your students to be part of a revolution? Enroll your school to be part of Junior News Network. Get your students to gain experience and exposure and be part of educative revolution. Drop a mail at info@theschooltimes.in.
The State Board of Technical Education and Training, Andhra Pradesh Vijayawada, has released its online application form for Polytechnic Common Entrance Test. The online registration started on July 7th. The last day to apply for the entrance exam is August 13th, 2021. To register, candidates can visit POLYCET's official website. The Consortium of National Law Universities declared the Common Law Admission Test results. The result will be available on its official website. The CLAD exam was held on July 23rd in offline mode. As per the counselling schedule released by the CNLUs, counselling registration has begun from July 29th by invitation to approximately 5 times the number of seats in each category. The Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, the organizing institute for the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering 2022, on Wednesday announced the GATE 2022 will be held in February next year. This year, the eligibility criteria to appear for the GATE 2022 has been expanded. Candidates who have BDS and MPharm degrees can also appear for the exam. Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur has established the Chandrakanta Kesavan Center for Energy Policy and Climate Solutions to assist policy makers with practical solutions to the problems of climate change. The aim of the center will be to spearhead the development of technology and policy solutions to help India and the world combat climate change. Detailed description of the center can be seen on its official website.
It's okay to not be okay. Mental health is important. I hope you're taking care of it. Don't live in denial. Seek help when you need help.
The Jawaharlal Nehru University entrance exam will be held between September 20th and 23rd, its VCM Jagdesh Kumar said on Tuesday. He said that once the results of the entrance exams are announced, the admission process will be started without delay. Delhi University commenced the registration process for PG, MPhil and PhD programs on Monday, while for undergraduate programs, the registration process will commence from August 2nd. Entrance exam will be held for PhD, PG and MPhil programs and a few undergraduate courses. The Indira Gandhi National Open University has launched a postgraduate diploma in sustainable science. The online postgraduate diploma in sustainable science will be offered by the Varsity School of Interdisciplinary and Transdisciplinary Studies. Any candidate with a bachelor's degree from a recognized university or institute can apply for the program.
Are you at the crossroads, having completed your schooling or college education? Or current corona pandemic has caused so much of uncertainties that you need to take a call What next? Take an aptitude test and get to know what's best for you and your future.
That is all for today from the School Times News Desk. Like and subscribe to our channel and keep watching news updates.